Hello, welcome to JVD Mitra channel. Now we are going to make a paper clip. Yes, this one from cereal box. And then you have to have scissors, paper clip, and also glue. And then the other is optional. Like this paper punch out. I really like paper punch out because it makes it easier. And then scrapbook paper, but you can also replace this with the gift wrap, maybe from paper from old magazine, your own pen paper, anything. And also text and image. Now we will start the process. This is the cereal box that already cut. And this is important. This is a paper punch circle. But if you don't have this, you can easily just cut it in circles. I like paper punch because it's faster. So the cereal box will be punched out. Oh! Okay, we punch out. Oh, it's circle. We need this cereal box. The thickness will make the paper clip more sturdy. So this will be the background. Okay, this one is scallops. I just use the paper punch and punch out. Oh, okay. This is scrapbook paper. Now we will work on the foreground of the paper clip. I use this scrapbook paper because it's cute. Oh, it's cute. And this paper punch is also a heart shape. And you can use any paper for this. You can use a gift wrap paper, and maybe you can use old book pages. Or you can use magazines, anything, I don't know. But I kind of like this scrapbook paper, and it's easy because it's a kind of a little bit sturdy. So you make two part of paper punch, and then the background you already did. And this one is just old book pages that I painted. It's kind of cute, right? Back to my tutorials. First you make the background, and then you make the foreground. This one that I make. Okay, also use paper punch. And then after that, that's the most important thing, the step how to make the paper clip. I like to collect some paper punch. So this heart shape is a little bit cute. Okay, this is the step. You can see that's the back, and then there is the foreground. And this is the paper clip. First we put it on the background, the short side inside and the long side outside, and then we glue it together between the background and the foreground. So the cereal box is covered with a nice paper right now. Yeah. Okay, we did it once again, yeah? Okay, this one heart shape. You put the paper clip. I choose on the top side. This one the short one, and that one the long one. So the short one inside of the paper clip, and then you glue with a cute paper. They already punched before. You can use any shape, you know that. Okay, just make it really simple. paper clip, but that's not done yet because I like to decorate this paper clip into another level. So it's kind of more cute. Okay, we make another. This one is circle. The same one, paper clip inside, and then the short inside and the long outside, and you cover it with a nice paper. So the paper clip is now is cute but still level 1. We're gonna make another level of this paper clip. Okay, wait. Okay, now move to another level. Now this is just an image or something like text for focal objects in the paper clip. Yes, we need also focal object. I like that butterfly. I stamped this by myself, so I don't know how to draw. And then I just rip it up from the paper. And you know what? This paper is also used paper. It's from, I don't know. Can you see that? Yeah, I stamp a lot of things because I have a collection of stamps. And then I rip it up. This butterfly is my favorite one. And then don't forget to make border. Not border. You just give the color in the paper, so it makes more more cute. I don't know the phrase. Okay. Oh, it's kind of like very enjoy to work this. I like paper craft. This one is also cute. It's a bird standing on a flower. Yeah, and you see that where I stamp is a used paper, you know. And don't forget to make some border. Take around, just give some ink. If you don't have any ink like that, just use coloring like Speedo. What Speedo? Like watercolors. Oh, this is cute. Seeds today. And then what else? What we're going to use? Okay, that one is also nice. Sparkle. Okay, that's how we collect all the images. Just rip it up. Or you can use maybe some images from stickers or from magazines. Maybe from, I don't know, you print by yourself, but I prefer to stamp. Make from stamps. Okay, after I rip it up, always trim it nicely. I always make color around the words, because focal object in paper clips is make the paper clip more interesting, more unique, and more cute. Okay. In this step, it's kind of tricky because we have to mix and match between the image and also the text. Hey, that butterfly is not matched with any text because it's too small. I mean the background, the heart shape is too small. Okay, maybe that's no. That's not good. In this background, I like it, but still not good. Okay, we have to look another. What do you think? Oh, okay. This one, we try another. Dream big in here. Not. Oh, I think it's cute. Hearts, and then a little bit of what? Sparkle. Oh, when you put the image, you have to notice the paper clip. Where do you want to put the paper clip? Whether on the top side, on the left side, or on the right side. Okay, this one is, I don't show you how to make the background, but this one is quite big and quite cute, you know. Yeah, from paper scrap. Oh, that's nice. So where the bird is should go in this one. Oh, no. Okay, that one is nice combination. If we have a bigger paper or bigger place for creating the paper clip, I think it's better. Okay, then the last touch, I put down the what is this? The beads, sparkle beads. Yes, I use this for emphasize the paper clip. What do you think? It's cute, right? So this is for junk journals, or you can give to others. Nice, this one. Okay, I think it's very comfortable. Comforting. I like to make some art, maybe a simple art like this, a paper clip, but you can also give to others. It's very enjoy. You can literally forget about everything, just doing your art, and you can enjoy yourself and get creative and very happy at the moment. Yeah, art makes you happy. Okay, I think it's also done for every paper clip that I did today, but I also want to show you, this is my paper clips other than that I show you today. Yeah, that's cute, right? I combine also with stamps, with girls, and then words, and sometimes I use the beads around, sparkle beads, makes emphasize the paper clip. That's all what I did. I hope you get inspired, and you can also give this to your loved ones, or maybe your friends, or maybe you can sell it, anything. So thank you for stay tuned until the last of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me your comment. Okay, see you in another video. Bye bye.